In this video, we will show you how to customize the data screens on your Forerunner 265 smartwatch in the Garmin Connect app and directly on the device. We will start by customizing the data screens in the Garmin Connect app using Garmin's real-time settings sync. In this video, we will be using an Apple iPhone, but instructions are similar on Android smartphones. Begin by opening the Garmin Connect app on your smartphone and accessing the menu by either touching More in the bottom right on your Apple iPhone or the three-line icon in the upper left of your Android smartphone. Then touch Garmin Devices, followed by your Forerunner 265. Then touch Activities and Apps, followed by the activity you would like to customize. For this video, we will customize the Run profile. Touch Data Screens, then touch the screen you would like to customize. To adjust the data screen layout, touch Layout. You can select between 1 and 6 data fields per screen and select one of the data field orientation options. Once you have selected the layout, touch a data field you would like to customize, followed by a data field category. Then select the data field that you want to display. You can continue to customize this data screen or touch the back arrow when you are done with your edits. You can repeat these steps to customize other data screens or press the back arrow until you exit the device settings in the app. You can now customize the data screens on your Forerunner 265 series watch using the Garmin Connect app. And that's it. You can now change the data fields on your Forerunner 265 watch. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.